everybody, welcome to Rainbow. Today we're going to make some glow-in-the-dark slime. And this slime is very good. This glue you can put on stuff. This is great for paper, cardboard, and wood. So I could squirt some on this and let it dry, and it'll glow in the dark. And this slime in the dark, it will glow. Literally glow. It will shine in the dark. Shine. So let's get started by adding some glue. You can take off the cap if you only want a little bit, but we're making a big batch. So I want to first twist this. Wait, you have to first untwist this. Let me see. Nope. Where is it? Anyways, we don't need it because that's pretty handy. But we don't need it this time, so just squirt some glue. Oh, that's very hard to squirt. Just plug this again. I can. And now let's open it. This is much easier. Just dump it in. That looks like, I've done this before. This is so dry. I made pink, I made blue, I even made a jumbo. Or maybe not a jumbo, but I used this, and I think I combined it blue and pink, and I made a purple. That was beautiful, but it was sticky. But then I now made it with I poured some borax in it, and now it's not sticky. Oh, okay, I think I'm using too much. I want to save some glue for more slime. Now let's put that away. Now let's add some baking soda. I think you know what we're making. We made this last time. So I'm pretty sure you know what we're making. If you watched last time's video. Maybe I did too much baking soda. Anyways, we'll find out if I added too much baking soda, and probably I did, which is okay. This is already turning clumsy together, but if you touch it, it'll feel like glue. So not yet ready to touch. Keep mixing until all the baking soda is dissolved. Maybe I shouldn't use a wooden stick. That was the only one I had it handy on the deck, by the way. So let's just keep mixing. That is forming slime. This is forming slime, but I think we should probably use a wooden stick since it's already getting dirty. Look at that. You can't see it clear, but look at that. It's not a clear bowl, but look at that. That's just shaped like an avocado. It's really hard to hold because, shaped like an avocado is pretty hard to hold. Right? Because this one has a flat bottom. So, that's pretty easy. It's glowing! It's glowing! It's glowing. If you could just peek through this, you can see it's glowing. Little hole for you to peek, look. But it also needs some light. But it's glowing a little bit in there. That's really glowing a little bit. See that? That's glowing. That's what I mean by glow in the dark. This looks so nice, but very stiff. That's just baking soda glue. Just mix. Oh, that's making that stiff. Okay, now it's time to add the borax. I never made clear slime before, so if we get clear glue, we can make it. Yeah. Look at that. Is the best. It's not sticking to my fingers. Wow, that is the best slime I ever made this year. Just still a bit soft and gooey, but that's what glue is for, to make it stretch. I think we added enough borax. It's still a bit sticky, but that's all right, because that's what slime is supposed to be for. But I think I need to add some borax. No, baking soda. Which one? Borax or baking soda? I choose baking soda. This is like, the towel is sticking to me. Yeah! Now it's sticking to my clothes. Now it's sticking to the table. What is going on? First, spread that on the slime. And now stir it in. Slime, slime, slime. If you're a slime expert, then you'll know the right ingredients and how to, and you'll know what to add. That was just a sprinkler, probably. Making it up. Yeah, that's sticking, that's sticking! Need a teensy more borax. I mean, this made slime. This made incredible texture slime. So that glitter and that glue is making that texture. Just look at that. Here, I'll have a close up. Close up on it. Close up. Close up. See that? That is the slime that we just made. It's gonna glow in the dark. So it'll glow in the dark. If you put it in the dark and you're in that same room, this can also be a really handy flashlight. This feels so nice. You should put your finger on it. I wish you could touch this. Feels so nice. Let's see if it can do some tricks that I tried on different slimes, but not this kind of slime. Let's see if this will work for pokes. You're like, what in the wiggly world are pokes? These. See? Okay, now that's very sticky. It's glowing! Okay, not anymore. But it'll look pretty. Oh, yeah. I'll do the bracelet. Forgot the bracelet trick. Maybe it's not like a trick, but it's like something I like to do. Slime. Very fashionable. If you want a slime bracelet, make a jumbo slime, but not in a video. I might show you my jumbo slime. So make a big bracelet that would fit you, and you could take on and off, and then dry that slime in that position, and then you're gonna have a slime bracelet, glow in the dark. This feels so nice. Well, the baking soda also makes it textury, but this feels so good. It looks so pretty with that glitter in it. You can't see that glitter, but look at that glitter. Glitter! Glitter makes the best. Okay, let's see if I can do some stretching tricks. Okay, maybe this is not so stretchy, but look at that. Okay. If it can stretch like that, I think we're ready to do it. That sure is one stiff guy. One sure stiff slime. I'm going to start to get clear. I can like see pink. And then I'll squish it together in a ball and squish it. This one doesn't make bubble noises, but it will. Oh, it just made a bubble noise. Another bubble. Some pokes. More bubbles. So this does make bubbles. What a relief. The slime was a hit. I didn't think it would work in glitter glue, but the sparkles make it the best. Glitter glue. If you have glitter glue and you want glitter glue in the dark, buy it on Amazon.